Hi guys, my name is Chetan and I'm the founder of Zero to One. We're an Amazon consultancy firm. So welcome to our second episode of Amazon Exports. In this series, we're going to talk about how to launch your products and sell into the US market. Yes, now it is possible to for any Indian brand to start selling your products directly to a US customer, or you can say any other country like Australia, Dubai, Canada. You can sell it anywhere thanks to Amazon. So in this episode, we're going to talk about how to set up your account if you want to sell your products into the US market. We are just going to talk about this setup. We are not going to talk about listing or sales, anything like that. In the first episode, we spoke about the compliances, basically what documents are needed to get started. So just make sure you watch that video before you set up your account for the .com thing, because if you don't have your documents checked, it will become difficult for you to launch your brand into the US market. So just watch that video. If you have any questions about that, just drop me a message on my LinkedIn and I can help you out if you have any queries. So let's just dive into this episode and understand how to register yourself as a brand into the US market on Amazon. So hi guys, to start with, we have to open our browser and type Amazon Global Selling. You'll see this first link which says sell.amazon.in. So you have to click on that. There will be a homepage of this global selling. As you can see, there's an offer going on right now. Register and get 3 months subscription at $1. So usually the subscription fees is around $39. Right now you're getting at $1, which is amazing. So just register to export here. Click on that and you will see these three options where sell in Europe, which is like UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Sweden, and Netherlands. Sell in Middle East, which is countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Abu Dhabi, Asia Pacific. There is Japan, Australia, and Singapore. So we are going to register for North America, which is USA, Canada, and Mexico. So let's just click on register to sell on in North America. Once you click on that, there will be this page where you have to add all your business information. So business name used to register with your state or federal government. So I'm just adding my own name right now here, as we are just doing a demo. So we'll add a company registration number, which is your SIN number, corporate identity number. You have to add that here, and you have to fill this basic details and then click on next. Next, you have to add a seller information, which is first name. So your full name you have to add here. Then you have to add your country of citizenship, which is India, obviously, as we are selling from India. Next, you have to select the country of birth. So wherever you're born, like I'm selecting India, you can select wherever you were born and add your date of birth. So these are all very basic details which you have to add here. Next is identity proof. I'm selecting Aadhaar card right now over here. Well, there are other options as well like passport, PAN card, and driving license. You can select whatever you want and just move forward by adding all these details here. Country of issue of the card, whatever identity proof you are adding. So I've added Aadhaar card, so I've added all the details, and then next you will see these two questions that confirm if the primary contact person is a beneficial owner of the business or the legal representative. So I'm selecting a legal representative right now. I have added all the beneficial owners of the business, so I'm selecting no, confirming the details, and clicking on next. Next page is billing and billing details. So as you can see, the monthly subscription fees is $39. Right now you're getting a discount and coming it is coming down to only $1. If we have seen our first episode of compliances where I've mentioned that you need a international annual credit card, which is mandatory. So that credit card which you have to add all those details here and click on next. Next is you have to add your store name. So you have to add your brand name here. I'm just adding a random name over here. And do you have any universal product code? If you have, yes. If you don't have, just select no. Are you a manufacturer or brand owner? for any of the product you want to sell on Amazon. So select the appropriate answer for your brand and just click on next. Lastly, you have to identify all the details which you have given, which is given by you. You have to verify that and also upload your Aadhaar card and proof of address and then click on next. Then you have to identify verification. So in this step, basically you have to schedule a video call with an Amazon associate. Just see this device and documents which you have to keep ready before you start a video call with the Amazon associate. You can also select the language for the video call. Once these are done, just click on next, and there will be a video call which will get scheduled with the Amazon associate. Once that is done, associate with help will help you to launch your products and everything from their end. So this is the only process which you have to follow if you want to start selling on Amazon.com. It's not very complicated, it's very easy. If you have any questions, just drop me a message on my LinkedIn. Always available there to answer any question regarding selling on Amazon.com. So that's it for this episode. I hope you gained some valuable knowledge out of it. Our next episode is going to be on how to list your products. Till then, thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.